Does Kraken have instant transfers? Let's find out. Intro. Hey there, you're in a rush to make a quick payment. You need the funds to arrive instantly. You open your crypto exchange app and see Kraken. But does Kraken offer instant transfers? Today, we're going to dive deep into Kraken's transfer system. We'll explore if they offer instant transfers, the factors that affect transfer speeds, and some alternative options to consider. What are instant transfers? Before we get into Kraken, let's clarify what we mean by instant transfers. In the crypto world, instant usually means a transaction is confirmed within a few minutes or even seconds. This is different from traditional bank transfers, which can take days. Kraken's transfer system. Kraken is a popular cryptocurrency exchange known for its security and features. When it comes to transfers, Kraken uses a combination of blockchain technology and its own internal systems. Blockchain technology, the underlying blockchain network of the cryptocurrency you're transferring, determines the speed. For example, Bitcoin transactions can take several minutes or even hours to confirm, while Ethereum transactions are often much faster. Kraken's internal system. Kraken also has its own system in place to facilitate transfers. This includes verifying your identity, ensuring sufficient funds, and processing the transaction. Factors affecting transfer speeds. Several factors can influence how quickly your Kraken transfer is processed. Network congestion. If the blockchain network is experiencing high traffic, transactions may take longer to confirm. Transaction fees. Paying higher transaction fees can often expedite the confirmation process. Kraken system load. If Kraken's servers are under heavy load, transfers might take slightly longer. Your account verification level. Higher verification levels can sometimes result in faster transfers. Instant transfers on Kraken? While Kraken doesn't explicitly advertise instant transfers, it's possible to achieve near-instant transfers under certain conditions. Using faster cryptocurrencies. If you're transferring cryptocurrencies with faster confirmation times, like Ethereum or Solana, you're more likely to experience near-instant transfers. Paying higher fees. By paying higher transaction fees, you can incentivize miners to prioritize your transaction, leading to faster confirmation. Favorable network conditions. If the blockchain network is not congested, your transfer is more likely to be confirmed quickly. Alternative options. If you're looking for truly instant transfers, you might want to consider these alternatives. Centralized exchanges. Some centralized exchanges offer their own instant transfer services. However, these services might have limitations or fees. Stablecoin networks. Stablecoins like USDT or USDC often have faster transaction speeds due to their underlying networks. Peer-to-peer, P2P, exchanges. P2P exchanges allow you to trade directly with other users, potentially leading to faster transfers. Conclusion. While Kraken doesn't guarantee instant transfers, it's possible to achieve near-instant speeds under the right conditions. By understanding the factors that affect transfer speeds and exploring alternative options, you can make informed decisions when using Kraken or other cryptocurrency exchanges. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.